And there's a lot of school asking me to work with them, but I told to myself, I asked God. You know what I mean? Yes, I want a position, but I asked God, give me the school that I will be fit. It's so hard. You know. I, I love cooking, but because I am a level 3 ECE, this field will give me more money, stability, right? So I'm going for this one, and I said I'm looking forward for another school that near to me, but there are some school that like 1 hour and 30 minutes commute. I will go for that. And they already called me, give me a job offer, give me some schedule, and I said, okay, I'm going to take this one because I need to work, right? My children will come this coming September, and I need money. I need a permanency in the work. So I need to do it. Whatever it is, just come to me. And of course, I am promoting. If you are living in Calgary, I'm doing some poop cleaning nowadays. So just message me or tell to another people to tell to your in Calgary, okay? Tell to your friends that I'm doing some poop cleaning. So if they need it, just message me. Something like that. I do have in my profile. Maybe I'm going to upload it as well. Yes. Because the Canada, the IRCC told that my children must be here on October because I am expecting them to be here next year. But there's a specific timeline, so they will be here in September. And then for visit and to be landing as a permanent resident, and my sister will bring her back their back and go back here on to the next year as well. So the ticket is really expensive. I need like 5,000, minimum 5,000 CAD for the tickets. And yes, I'm going to start for my work, and I don't have work yet, but tomorrow I'm going to start my first day of formal work as a permanent resident.